Hello guys, I am Himanshu from WP Township. Today I will show you step by step how to add a blog section in your WordPress site. So here in this website, as you can see that we have home, shop, about us, contact us and my account. This is basically a e-commerce site, and if you want to add a blogging page in your site, I will show you in this video how you can add this blogging page and where you can also easily add different blog posts for your blogging page. So now before moving further, if you want to learn basic to advanced WordPress step by step, you can enroll in our WP Mastery course and become part of WP community. Also you will get 20 plus pre-made WordPress template on different theme developed by us as a bonus. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to turn on the notification for future updates. So now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and let's see how we can create a blogging page. So first of all, we need to create a blog post. So for that, here in this WordPress dashboard, you will get we are having a post section over here. So just click on that post section and it will show you like currently you don't have any post. So from this post you can create different blog post over here. So first of all, click on this add new to add a new blog post, and for our ease what I will do, in a new tab let me open lorem ipsum generator so that we can take a dummy code from it. So here lorem ipsum generator I have opened, and what I will do here, first of all you have to give your blog title here. So let me give a random blog title of your line. So this will be our blog title, and after your blog title, as you can see here what we have basically in the blog post, we have some paragraph text and all. So here let me generate 10 paragraphs over here like this. As you can see I have generated 10 paragraphs, so I just want to add some of the paragraphs in my blog post. So here you can see like I have pasted some paragraphs. Then you can, if you want to add a heading over here, so again you can create a list also, or if you want to add some bullet points, or if you want like let it be, let's go here and I just want to add some of the heading. So let me copy this part from here, and this one I just want to let me copy some of the text from here. This one will be my heading 1. So you can easily, instead of paragraph you can change it to heading, and then whatever heading you want, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, you can set it. Like I just want to give it a h1 and give it a number 1. In the same way, if you want to duplicate this block, you can anytime click on these 3 lines and you can duplicate it many times. As you can see I have duplicated it for 4 times, and I can easily able to change from 1, 2, and then I can give it 3, and then in the same way I can make it 4 also. Now after this, if you want to add a paragraph, you have to just click on this plus icon and then you will get this paragraph option. So you can easily able to add this paragraph after each of your heading. Then you will get a lot of, whenever you will click on this plus icon, you will get whatever thing you want. Like if you want to add an image, you can select this image and then it will allow you to choose from your media library, or you can upload your image also. So from media libraries I want to add some of these images. Let's suppose let's quickly add these images. This one will be fine. I have selected this, and you can also rearrange. Like if you want to crop this image, you can crop it, or if you want to give it a particular size, you can give it. Or after that, if you want to rearrange this image, you can easily able to rearrange this image also. And here you can align the item, like align left or align center, or if you want to align it to right, that one also you can do. Suppose here you can see that I have aligned this image at align left, and then if I want some of this I want to add paragraph after this, so I can easily able to add my paragraph text over here. In the same way, if you want to add some bullet points also, then also inside it, let me copy some point. I just want to add this as a bullet point. So I will what I will do, I will paste it and I will set this, instead of here I will search from this 3 lines. Let me search over here, we might get a bullet points over here, this one list. So here you can make it number wise or bullet points, and then whatever how many number of bullet points you want to add, you can easily able to add it. and you can also customize it, like if you will increase the length of this image, then this will come in a single line like this. You can easily able to do and customize this blog post. After that, here in this post section, only on the right sidebar you will find a category and tags option. So you can give a category to it, like suppose what about this blog post, suppose it will be any of your fashion related blog post, then you can create a fashion category and then click on this add new category to create it. And as you can see, this fashion is checked, it means it is in the fashion category. Then you can give a tag to this category or this blog post, like women fashion, and then let me give it women fashion, and you can give it men fashion, dress, clothing. So these are the tags which you can easily able to give it. So let it be dress or clothing. Let me first write clothing and then I will give it a dress. So in this way you can create different tags to it. After that, we have this featured image. So what will this featured image will do? This featured image will help in having a featured image to our blog post. So let's make this as a featured image, and then what I will do, I will publish it. Once you will publish this, you will see a view post. So let's view our post over here. So you will see that we have created our blog post, and this is how our blog post will look like with date and time and everything. Now what I will do, let's go back to our dashboard, and I need to create a blog post page over here. So for that, I will go to this pages, and here in the page I will click on this add new, and I will give that page name as blog. So let's give it a blog title over here as a blog, and then publish the page. Now if you will view the page, you will see that we don't have any blog page or anything. It is currently blank. We need our blog post should appear over here. So how we can do that? So for that, we need to do a setting. So hover over this setting, and let's go to this reading setting. Now from the reading setting, you will see this your home page display as post page. So now here in this post page, I just want to make the blog page as our post page, and then click on save changes. Now once you will click on this save changes, now if I will refresh my blog page, you will see that my blog page that we have created over here, that is displaying here. Now how to add that blog page in this menu bar? So for that, again you will see appearance option over here. Hover over this appearance, and let's go to the menus. And now in an appearance menu setting, we will see a list of menus over here, so we can easily able to add our page over here. So I will add this blog page to the menu, and let me just keep it just after the home and save the menu. Now if I will refresh my page, you will see that blog page will appear over here, and whenever I will click on this blog, it will redirect me to the same page over here. So with this, we have completed with creating of blog page in our site. Thank you so much for watching this video till now. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.